The car segment is a reliability-driven sector in India. Car owners mainly want the best usability from their vehicles. The engines of cars are exposed to extreme conditions and high temperatures. The deposits should be limited, and to do this, the viscosity should be optimum. Therefore, cars need a multitasking lubricant which is designed to cater to all the different aspects of lubrication. E&I has developed a unique line of car lubricants, especially aiming for durability and performance. This line has been specifically made for the crankcase of both the petrol and diesel engines. iScent Levo-In, premium engine oil designed to keep the engine running like new even in the most severe operating conditions, exceeds highest performance standards stipulated for crankcase lubricant of petrol and diesel engines. iBase Levo Super, its special formula ensures superior performance without the need for a high percentage of organometallic additives. This reduces combustion chamber deposits, thus lessening the danger of pre-ignition while effectively containing the rise in the octane requirement after prolonged engine operation. iBase Levo Diesel, crankcase lubrication for all diesel cars and provides all-round engine protection. It also offers excellent protection during startup. Gas Special In. It is blended from premium quality base stocks and specially selected additive package. It has been designed specifically for environment-friendly fuels. Its viscometrics are suitable for use in high temperature operations.